Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we're talking old Greek photos. I'm going to put an old Greek photo up on the screen. We're going to talk about it, explain what's going on. Because when you see these things pop on your feed and in the news or a Greek newsletter or anything like that, or social media, you're probably like, no, that's not real, or no way that's that. No, that's not that. Well, I'm here to clarify. So, what do we got today? Ooh, I don't have the exact year on this, but it is between 1850s and like 1890s, possibly into the 1900s. I don't remember when they started putting the columns back up, but we have ourselves here the Parthenon with missing columns on both sides. So the side that's facing us today, the columns all put back up together. The other side, they're not, because too much of it was destroyed. But some of them were. As you can see, I'm not sure if those were placed intentionally, like, okay, these are going to go in this row, these are going to go in this row, or that's just how they, I'm not sure on that. But one interesting part of this photo that's fascinating is the background. So when you see this, you're gonna be like, "No, that's not Athens. Where are all the neighborhoods? Where are all the houses, the buildings?" Well, guess what? This is what it was like. It was barren, facing the side that faces the coast. So if I got that right, the side that faces the coast should be southeast. So if you're facing the southeast today, if you're standing there, you're just seeing buildings everywhere. Well, back then you're seeing nothing or something. Nothing. You might be able to, you can see the sea in the distance, and I'm not sure. Actually, I think you can see it here, right around there. Yeah, right around there. In between to the right two columns, halfway down, right where the sky and the ground blend, that's the sea. As you can see, it's an uneven line, which means that at some point the water is blending with the sky. So yeah, this is the Parthenon way back when, way back before any restorations had begun, and it's come a long way. So if anyone says, "Oh, they're taking forever, they're not fixing that thing, hey, they're not doing anything," well, show them this. All right, talk to you guys in the next episode.